Convicted killer Alex Murdaugh is already serving a life sentence, and today he was also sentenced for stealing millions from his clients and law firm.
Kennedy Hayes in court today. And Kennedy, how many additional years will he be serving in prison?
Well, Sylvia and Scott, a judge gave Murdaugh a 40-year sentence, and before the decision, Murdaugh spoke apologizing to his victims, and the prosecution also brought in family members of the victims and said today's decision was about justice for them.
These victims are not just names listed in a court filing. They are real people who trusted an attorney at the most difficult times of their lives, when they had lost loved ones, when they were severely injured, and they were betrayed in those vulnerable moments.
Federal prosecutors recommended sentencing Murdaugh to at least 17 years, but the judge decided to double that to 40 years. Murdaugh was initially charged with around 100 financial crimes. As part of plea deals, he pleaded guilty to only some. Murdaugh was accused of stealing millions of dollars from his clients during his time as a lawyer. Charges included wire fraud, bank fraud, and money laundering. The judge also withdrew a motion from the defense to review a lie detector test. Prosecutors allege Murdaugh failed the test when he was asked about stealing $6 million. Ultimately today, the defense said they agreed with the judge's decision.
He stated his reasons in open court, which are really hard to disagree with. How much of that 40 years will he have to do? I don't know for sure. If he'll do any in federal court, it all depends on what happens to the murder convictions, obviously.
And aside from this case, Murdaugh is still trying to overturn his double murder conviction for the shooting of his wife and son. In Charleston, South Carolina, Kennedy Hayes, Fox 32 Chicago.